At the anti-doping disciplinary hearing for national swimmer Mackenzie Headley, who tested positive for a banned substance last April, got underway on Wednesday, with the case management portion of the proceedings taking place online. The matter, which is being heard by a three-member independent anti-doping disciplinary panel led by King's Counsel Georgia Gibson Handlin, is being held in camera. Attorney Andre Earl is representing the 16-year-old swimmer, while King's Counsel Ian Wilkinson is leading JADCO's interest in the matter. When contacted by TVJ Sports on Wednesday, both lawyers declined to comment on the matter. There has been no confirmation of the banned drug in question. The Headley's hearing was due to officially get underway on February 6. Now, TVJ's own checks of the WADA sanctioning rule, which deals with protected athletes, include minors, indicates that she faces the possibility of between a public warning and a 2-year ban for the anti-doping rule violation.